Welcome to Epic Mint Leaves, your channel for mind-blowing vegan recipes. Oil-free, dairy-free, gluten-free, nut-free, super cheesy, super healthy, super spicy roasted carrots. The tahini sauce takes carrots to the next level. So good! It's super addictive, but don't worry, it's so good for you. So hit the subscribe button and let's get started. First up, take 6 to 8 carrots. Peel. And quarter them. Next, pour a quarter cup of tahini into a bowl, along with a tablespoon of nutritional yeast, a teaspoon of spicy paprika powder, and half a teaspoon of salt. Just mix it and combine it with the carrots. Then place them onto a baking sheet and sprinkle some black sesame seeds on top. Bake them at 350 Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. Now enjoy with super spicy, cheesy and healthy carrots! Thanks for watching!